All right, little behind the scenes. This is everything that we brought up from Miami. And I was staying at Homewood Suites. Even brought the lights in case we need lighting. And stopped by Whole Foods. Hiro picked a nice piece of ribeye steak. Seasoned. He's gonna make some curry. And look what else he has here. We have this instant gyudon. This is so good. If you guys been to Japan or even the west coast of California, Yoshinaya, one of our favorite places to go eat. Some ice packs. Brought that all the way from Miami, and then we stopped by an Asian market today. Tons of stuff in there. We couldn't believe it. Now look what we got from Miami also. Look at this wasabi. Ooh. Can't wait to try that. All right, Hiro, you're making me so hungry. Who needs to go out, right? You're never gonna find food like that.
Yeah, it's kind of quick. Some of course, it is an instant thing. So
Yeah.
Instant food.
And you got your Fender t-shirt on, I see.
Yeah.
If you ask you to play, you should look at Hiro's Instagram. You see him in his Hiro in his rocker with a chain hanging up from the side. I'm gonna put a picture up here so y'all can see it. Go check out his Instagram. What a beautiful morning it is. We're headed to a very special place.
Please, hot chicken.
Yes, Prince's Hot Chicken. They were the ones who created the hot chicken back in the 1930s, nearly 100 years ago. And we're going to meet with the owner. We're going to hear about this whole story, how it was started, created, and hopefully you're going to make something really nice out of that. Something delicious, right?
Something unique.
Yeah, something really, yeah, exactly. Something unique, something special to do the name justice. And if you guys have never tried Nashville Hot Chicken, it's probably a place close to you that serves this delicious chicken. Hopefully they can make it just as good. And let's go check it out. Hiro, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Good morning. Well, we're finally here.
Yes.
We've been talking about Nashville hot chicken for so long. We even did some recipes on the channel, but now we're here at the Mecca, the beginning, the nucleus. And we are so thankful and honored to be here with Andre. Andre,
Thank you.
yeah, thank you so much for having us. And we would love for you to tell us the story of how your great uncle, right, started.
My great uncle Thornton Prince, the man of the day and still is. He's still carrying on his legacy. However, we give credit to whoever the lady friend in his life at the time was, because more than likely she really is the one that introduced the hot chicken to the world, really.
That's right.
But I think they sold it out of the house at first because everybody had primary jobs. And the place, when he did open a building in 1936, as it is in the state archives, probably sold it out of his house prior to that for a while. Maybe a couple of years to supplement their income. It's alleged because they didn't keep records back then. I don't think anybody did. However, it is recorded in the state archives that the building, the first chicken shack, it was called Barbecue Chicken Shack. However, when I took over in 1980, I renamed it for the family because the chicken was never barbecued. It had a barbecue taste, but it was a fried, spicy, hot chicken. So that's why I changed the name to Prince when I took over 40 years ago.
Right. And as I say, the rest is history, you know? I mean...
Indeed. That lady more than likely was very angry with him, so she had to act it out.
Right.
Back then, they didn't voice their opinions, they just expressed them.
Okay.
And that's the way she expressed it. And that expression has gone all over the world.
Right. It's wonderful. We had it the other day. I was telling Hiro, and it was delicious.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
Well, thank you so
no,
much.
no. We are so excited to be here. Now, tell us about how many restaurants you have and today. And I know you just opened something last week.
Right now we have, it's supposed to be a food hall coming, because due to the pandemic, it has been pushed back till next year. And in 21, it was supposed to have opened in August downtown. We have a food truck downtown at a Yeehaw Brewery down there, as well as one in Greenville, South Carolina that was just opened last week.
Right.
So we're real gratified about that. We are supposedly having one come to the airport, pushed back through by the pandemic, and also there's another location here in Nashville planned. But this is the first time that we have Prince Hot Chicken is out of the state of Tennessee, out of the city of Nashville, because we've always been right here, having no desire to open another one anywhere else. But hey, we've been blessed, and I rejoice in that. And it is now in Greenville, South Carolina.
Right. What about franchises? Any thought on that, franchising?
Oh, I'm offered. People are calling all the time, all over the world. I've been offered. But due to my age, I'm just trying to just walk myself through softly and slowly.
Right. All right. Well, let me tell you, age is just a number.
Oh, wow.
You know, remember that?
I'm feeling the number.
Well, thank you so much for having us. Now, Chef Hiro is going to try and do something that's going to be honorary to the Prince's Hot Chicken concept. All right? So he's going to do something, and we're going to try and sushify it. We're going to take your delicious products, and we're going to try and come up with something that I think would be very fitting to the name. So.
Well, I'm excited.
All right. If you're ready, we're ready too. You ready, Hiro? Yeah. All right. Let's do this.
Have mercy.
All right, Hiro-san, we're about to make this delicious roll. But before we do that, we're joined by Brittany. This is the granddaughter of Andre, the owner, right?
Yes.
All right, so tell us what we have here. It looks so delicious.
Today we have chicken tenders. Well, they're mild over here. And we have our Get It Girl greens, coleslaw, and baked beans. And then right over here we have the plain, where you have macaroni and cheese, the Get It Girl greens, potato salad, and a couple pickles, which you always have to have chicken with pickles with us. And so that's what we have today. And hope you guys enjoy it when y'all eat it.
What's your favorite part?
My favorite part is the leg quarter, actually.
Okay.
I love the leg quarter and the dark meat. I love that.
In fact, I had that. We were here last week, and that's what I had. And he had the sandwich, and
I eat
always
mild.
like dark meat.
I don't go any past mild.
I can't. Your mouth was hot.
Yeah.
Your mouth was hot already. You know.
Yes, it's
incredible.
enough.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you.
All right, Hiro-san, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
Start to make.
Let's do it.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
And are you a sushi fan?
I am a sushi fan.
Okay.
I'm recently getting into sushi as well.
Right.
So my mom was like, "Do you want to try this?" I'm like, "Of course."
Okay. Excellent. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome.
Okay, Hiro.
Okay.
What's the first
step? I'm gonna do wasabi.
All right.
This is real wasabi. Most of the restaurants actually, serving the fake wasabi. That's coming with a tube.
Yeah.
That's actually fake one.
Okay.
There's nothing wasabi ingredients in it. But this is a real wasabi.
This is very hard to find. Yeah, you won't find this in 99% of the restaurants.
I understand.
And then he takes this and he uses they call it shark fin, but it's actually stingray skin, and you kind of grind it down.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Usually in sushi restaurants, you serve it on the side, you mix it with your soy sauce.
Right.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to try this by itself. It's really incredible.
Can't wait.
So since this is Nashville hot chicken, Hiro, you gotta make it
with real wasabi.
Real wasabi.
If you can,
just take a bite.
Yes. There's a lot of differences between the tube, come with the tube. More like a flavor.
So much more richer.
Right?
Yes, it's so much better. Yes, I agree. I love that.
Okay, now we're gonna start to roll the sushi. I'm going to use whole sushi sheet today.
Okay.
This is a sushi rice.
Yeah, Hiro's kind of cold. It's probably like...
Yeah, it's cold for me. Much cold for me. So Florida today's today.
He's trying to act like it's not cold.
80, so and the very humidity there. So
He's been away too long from the cold weather in Kochi.
Take me with you.
Yeah, the Kochi is even not this much cold, you know.
Yeah.
My hometown is a little more
In the Kochi, I love it.
warm in the place. So. Okay, basically all the way sushi rice on it, and then sesame seeds a little bit. Yes, and then flip it.
Oh wow.
All right. So now I want to take ingredients. First one is chicken.
And these are like perfectly fried chicken tenders. Take a look at that.
Take a look. So it's very,
It's
very
amazing.
soft. I'll put in here.
Thank you.
Then I can use one more piece from here. It's a little bit of a more bigger piece here. Then another product, or my favorite stuff in it right here. I like a coleslaw too.
Yes.
I really like coleslaw. A little bit of coleslaw here. And the potato salad.
Yeah. Now you guys make everything in house, I'm sure, right?
We do. And everything's made from scratch.
Wow, that's incredible.
Our cook Maurice, he does our greens and our macaroni and cheese, and
Okay.
does a phenomenal job. We just
Right.
introduced them probably about a month ago.
Okay.
The Get a Girl Greens with the
Giddy
along
Girl
with the
Greens, I
hot-
like that name.
yeah, Granny's will get a girl, so we got
Okay.
to get a girl greens. But yeah, along with the hot chicken sandwich, we introduced the greens about a month ago, and it's just really taken off. We love it.
I did try that the other day. I'm going to definitely try that.
Yes, I love the way he's just really setting this up. I was just telling Mom we can do so much with this chicken.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
You could do a lot.
Okay. The inside is ready.
Ready for roll?
Okay, yeah, ready for roll.
Okay.
And this one is very delicious. See? On it. And then I'm gonna use this one. Tie it up.
Randy, you're going to do it after he's finished, okay? You're going to do a roll yourself.
I'm gonna do a roll. Oh my god, I'm scared.
Okay, nice.
All right.
Then now I'm going to cut. First I cut into half. Very sharp.
I am so amazed.
Looks like a very sharp.
Yes.
Then I'm gonna cut into the pie piece on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, beautiful.
Take a look at this. Inside this. Amazing.
Okay.
In tradition of being hot, you need to add this.
Definitely. Along with that mild tender in there.
Yeah. Oh,
Looking
yeah.
Nice.
Okay, Hiro-san, the final
Yes,
touch.
Final touch with a 24 karat edible gold flake.
With a name like Princess, we must add gold.
Yes.
Yes.
It's
I
not even
agree. I agree.
part of negotiating, right, Hiro?
Not at all.
Yes.
Okay,
That's
let's do
right.
it.
That's right.
How many can say you came over and you ate gold today?
I know, right? You never thought this would happen.
Nah.
Okay.
Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Look at this. Hiro-san did it
Yes.
again. Beautiful gold plate.
Yes.
More importantly, the delicious, original Nashville hot chicken
Yes,
here at
right.
Prince's Hot Chicken.
Thank you so much.
No, Brittany, thank you so much for having us. Your beautiful grandmother, Andre, so sweet.
Thank you.
And the whole family. What a tremendous story.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, no, my pleasure. We're so honored to be here. Hiro-san, thank you. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you soon.
Bye.
Okay, now to the best part.
Can't wait.
Brittany, please, you be the honors. Do the
right.
honors, and you try
Wash
first.
my hands.
No,
No,
it's
you
okay.
don't need to.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
just grab a.
You can grab the nice one too in the middle.
Grab the one in the middle?
Yeah, middle is better.
Yes.
Yes.
All right, so here we go.
Take a look. Wow.
Gotta see how I'm gonna eat this. All right, you ready?
Cheers.
Cheers.
That was everything I needed in a bite.
All your delicious ingredients. Just take a look at this. If you guys have never had Nashville hot chicken and you ever are coming to Nashville, Princess is the place to be. You guys have to come by. The original creators of the Nashville hot chicken.
Was okay?
Thank you so much.
So good, huh?
That was so good.
Oh, I gotta try one. Force me.
You have to have it.
I know, right?
A few of them.
Look at this.
Oh. I think we need to add something to the menu.
All in one.
Yes, all in one. With the cuisine added to it, so it's just great. Sushi and hot chicken. Oh, the spicy chicken.
Spicy
Okay.
for you?
A little kick. That was a plain or mild?
That was mild,
That was mild. Yeah, it's got a definite kick.
especially with that wasabi added to it.
Yeah, the
It
wasabi.
really is gonna kick it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
That
love
was
it.
great.
I immediately tasted the side dishes, you know, and then the crunchiness of the chicken, and then the flavors start coming through. And the mouth definitely it's hitting me now. But I tasted wasabi, which is a great taste,
Yeah.
but
It's an explosion.
delicious. And the mouth definitely has a nice kick. You guys get down to Prince's. You won't be sorry. Thank you again so much.
You're welcome. Thank you so much for having us.
Thank you.